recorded for quality purposes.
Amen.
All right, we're officially live. Okay.
So are we all pretty much working on number 10? I think I finished project 10. I'm working on 11.
I'm still working on 10. I did the videos. I submitted the project, and I've done half of it, but I kind of wanted to see, because I thought the instructions were a little vague as to what exactly we were including on the graph, and so I kind of wanted to compare to make sure that we're getting the same things. What about you, John?
Share mine?
Yeah.
John, are you done with yours?
I am, but the problem is with me right where I'm at is I'm on my iPad and I don't know how to share my screen on my iPad. I'm at this conference right now, and so I don't. I got the first graph done. I don't have the pie chart done. But
so this is what I've done.
Yeah.
Are we similar?
Okay, hold on a second. Let me see.
How do I see yours? I've never used this iPad app.
You can't you click, like, for me, I can just click on her name on her picture at the bottom, and it continuously just shows.
Her
Why is this not working?
No, it's not working. I see your camera background, Michelle, and but I can't see, I don't know.
You can't, really?
No, I can't. I've never used this iPad app before, so I'll have to fix that. But you can see it, right, Karina?
Can you see it, Karina?
I can see it, and mine is different from yours, except, wait, let me look at my numbers. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, hold on. I was looking at the wrong thing. I'm sorry.
I struggled with, yeah, go ahead.
No, I'm sorry. 7, 4, minus 18. Okay, so I think we have all the same numbers. And I'm looking at the very bottom. You have minus 41, minus 38, minus 38. Okay, so we have the same numbers. I didn't know how to structure it, so I kind of just copied and pasted from the first page because I wasn't sure if all they wanted was just a difference or if they still wanted the actual and the forecast. My graph kind of looks similar to yours. Let me show you mine.
Okay.
But again, I'm not even done to being finished, but I'll show you what I have. Is it showing? Hi. Okay, so see how I kind of copied and pasted, and I had a question to you guys about the conditional formatting, because if I go and I highlight this first one, because it says something about, I guess this right here, right, is what I don't need that I copied over. So I can delete that. What I really just need is the difference lines on all of these. So I'll correct that. But the conditional formatting, if I go over here and I go to see manage rules, see, I did one for each individual. So if I click on just one, let's say, it shows if it's less than or equal to, it'll be the green. If it's greater than, it'll be the red. But I had to do that for each individual one. When I tried to copy and paste the format, it didn't work. So I was going to ask you guys, is there a way that I'm missing, that I'm forgetting, as to how to more easily do that?
So the one thing that
go ahead.
Yeah. Well, there was one thing that I couldn't get it to work, and I realized why. And when you're setting up the rule, one of the things that I was messing up on is I was setting it in too narrow of a range. So at first I was only doing like from 0.1 to 50. You know what I mean? And so you have to give it like 0.1 to 1,000 or to 1,000,000. So it covers all the positive numbers. Is that the problem, where is it covering just certain numbers in the range, but not all, or is it just?
I guess what I'm doing is maybe wrong. Here, let me share again. This is what I did, and you guys can tell me what I hear you saying is, what I was doing is, because I had these two columns here still, right? And this is not the actual value, it's the equation that I have up here. So when I went to do the formatting, I clicked on this and then I put new rule, use a formula to determine, and then I put, for example, if this, the actual, is greater than or equal to the forecast, then the format would be, and then I would format green, for example. And then that's how I would do it. Except I guess I just did the opposite. Whereas what I'm thinking what you guys are saying is, if it's greater than, greater than what, 0? Or 0.1, or how did you guys do that?
So I had to overlay it.
Oh, you did 0. See, I did 0 to a negative number, and then I did 0.1 to a positive number. But I suppose either would work because there is no 0 in any of the numbers. So
yeah, there is.
Is there a 0?
It's supposed to be 0 or greater than, it shows green, right?
Right.
So how did you do it, Michelle? Or
so
go ahead.
I did the greater than is what I did. The greater than. And let me go back and look here.
Hold on, aren't the positive numbers actually red because you were above your forecast, and the negative numbers are actually green?
No, the negative numbers are actually green because you came in
right.
under budget.
Yeah.
Right.
So I think
so you want the negative numbers.
So, yeah.
Yeah, you want the negative numbers green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I just want to make sure because I thought I heard you said the other way around.
No, mine's not.
So you just did equal or less than 0 green,
right.
And then greater than what? Greater than 0?
I did greater than 0.
Red.
Is red.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna change that part of it, but my graph kind of looks like yours, except it's not colored or anything. Here, let me show you my graph. And then maybe you can pull yours back up so we can see. See, I have the same bars over here. And then I threw the numbers on top. And then the little thing over here, and then the 2 lines, but I still have to put those little
markers
dots.
on the markers. Yeah.
Is that kind of looking like yours? Hold on, let me put it back up.
Yeah, it is. Let me pull mine up and then I'll. Okay, here we go. It's very similar.
Let me see. Yeah, we have the same graph. Okay. I didn't do the pie chart yet.
So I think we're similar.
What about when you were creating the line chart and the pie chart? Were you creating it on sheet 1 and then cutting and pasting it over because all the information is really sheet 1 information, not necessarily sheet 2 information? Is that, or did you make it on sheet 2?
I did a little bit of both. I think one of them I made on one sheet and one of them I made on the other. Then I just put the graph on the, I moved the data and left the graph, or I moved the graph onto this sheet. So yeah.
Yeah.
Because see, here's my totals. See, this is the pie stuff. Oh, you guys can't see that anymore, can you? Sorry. I'll show you so this is where I put my pie information.
I'll come back and watch the video later.
So it's right here.
I can see it. Yeah.
And then here's the year-to-date actual expenses.
You did that on sheet 1, total of the year. Oh, okay. And you just connected it to sheet 2.
Right. Yep.
And that's all that it is, right? Just those 2 graphs and that chart.
Yep, that's what I got out of it. I hope so.
Yeah.
Did you say 2 graphs and a chart? Or wait, oh yeah.
1 pie chart.
Yes, right.
Okay.
It's 1 pie chart and one line with a column.
Right.
So there's two charts total, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a table.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
well,
it's
I'm
really
anxious
good massage. Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm anxious to talk to you guys about 11 when you get there.
Oh no, is it that much fun?
Yes, it's that much fun. It reminds me of that one I had a difficult time with.
Oh, mini project 11's a little hard?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
I'm gonna start on that tomorrow.
I haven't gotten through it all yet, so I'm in the process of it.
And we have exam 3 next week, right?
Yeah, which I want to start already right now.
Yeah.
I know. I'm gonna start it this weekend. Take that stupid test again, and then start it again this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're halfway there, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. What week are we? The
7. And there's 14.
Halfway.
Yeah, this is halfway.
I know, right? Me too. I'm like, oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is rough.
It's just getting more and more harder to remember everything.
The one thing I did say, and I think you weren't on last week, Karina, to Michelle, was I went to his, and it's about to start in like, I guess, a half an hour, but his weekly class is really helpful. And he goes over I might go tonight. Stuff. Yeah, it's even a little bit on the exam and stuff like that. It's very helpful.
Wait, he does a recording class that you can just go to a link?
Class.
No, you can't. You have to go on when he's there. It's live.
It's when he's there. Yeah, it's live.
There's no recording.
No.
It actually, he uses Zoom, which my experience with you, have you guys heard about Zoom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
As opposed to Google, it's actually, I'm kind of tempted to say we should try that instead. It is so much easier to set up. And there's a little record button. I recorded him. You can record class on your own and watch it later if you really want to. But he doesn't send out a link later, but anyone that wants to record it can. It's so much easier than this Google Hangout thing, actually. But yeah, we can try that later if we want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might try to hit that class tonight.
But yeah, definitely tonight. I'd say if any of this stuff is hard, he shoots pretty straight and gives you some clarity on answers.
Okay.
And you can ask questions and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
If you do watch it, John, would you mind recording it just in case?
Yeah, I mean, I think depends on, I'm not in a good place to do it. If I can get back to my hotel room, I think I'll try. I'm going to try.
If you can't, it's okay. I won't be able to make it. I have other group meetings later tonight, so.
Yeah.
If I get on, I could try too. We'll see if I can do it.
It's really simple. You'll just see a big red record button right at the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, well, this one doesn't look too hard. I think I'll finish just fine. We'll see what 11 has in store for us.
Good deal. And John, are you down there on Thursday too, or are you back?
I'm here until Saturday, but I think by Thursday night we'll get out a little earlier. So I don't think I'll be in the conference center still when I'm trying to do this on an iPad. Yeah. Especially
that's commitment right there.
Oh yeah, I got to get out of here. Especially if it's a little harder, I want to be able to see these screens and contribute back a little bit too. So yeah.
Okay.
Did you want to set up Thursday, or did you want me to set up Thursday? I'll be here.
Well, I think just in case, why don't you just do it just in case?
Sure.
But I'm really going to try to, yeah.
Okay. No worries.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you, guys. I'll send you the link soon.
All right. Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.